Tired of repetitive tasks stealing your precious time? In this video, we're diving deep into the world of automation, comparing to powerful contenders in N8N and Dify to help you choose the best tool for you. First, let's talk about N8N, the open source champion. N8N shines with its incredible flexibility and ability to integrate with almost anything. Its node-based system allows you to create intricate workflows connecting hundreds of different apps and services. This makes it perfect for complex automations like lead management, data synchronization, and custom API integrations. However, this power comes with a steeper learning curve. Building flows in N8N requires some technical understanding and a willingness to get your hands dirty. Now, let's shift our focus to Dify. Dify takes a different approach, focusing on simplicity and ease of use. Particularly for AI-powered applications, it's all about building chatbots and AI assistants visually, without needing to write code. Dify excels at tasks like creating customer service bots, automating content generation, and integrating AI into your existing workflows. It's ideal if you're looking for a quick and easy way to implement AI-driven automation. So, which one is right for you? If you need maximum flexibility and don't mind a bit of a learning curve for complex automation, N8N is a great fit. If you are more interested in AI applications and ease of use, Dify will be your go-to choice. The perfect tool depends on your project's complexity and your tech skill level. Now you can make the right choice for your automation needs.